Winter is probably the worst time of the year, especially for those with dry skin. Plus, with all the parties lined up, wearing makeup seems like a nightmare, doesn't it? But fret not, because I'm here to help. Hi guys, मैं हूँ सानिया और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ winter makeup routine for dry skin. Before I begin, make sure to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel if you haven't already and ring the bell icon for further notifications. तो winter makeup routine start करने से पहले, I would like to show you my skincare routine by first cleansing the face with a moisturizing cleanser. और फिर मैं लगाऊंगी एक hydrating serum. Serums are packed with potent ingredients that seep directly into the layers of the skin. अब क्योंकि winter dryness त्वचा की निखार छीन लेता है, which makes the skin look dull, applying a serum will maintain the glow on your face, boost radiance, and will ensure long-lasting hydration. I like to use the Simple Booster Serum with 3% hyaluronic acid plus B5 for deep hydration. Take a few drops on the hand and gently apply it in patting motion by massaging it all over your face. This non-sticky, non-greasy, dermatologically tested serum is great for hydration. Once the serum has soaked into the skin, बारी आती है to lock the moisture and add a hint of luminosity on the skin's surface. क्योंकि winter में dryness के साथ साथ त्वचा का निखार भी छीन जाता है, इसीलिए I like to mix my moisturizer, which acts as a skin's top defense when it comes to protecting against winter harshness with Luminizing face cream, जो skin के dullness को मिटाएगा by adding a lit from within glow. So, I take the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid plus Vitamin E and mix it with the Lakme Lumi Cream and apply it all over my face. The moisturizer is infused with hyaluronic acid, which will keep the moisture barrier intact and keep the skin hydrated. It also has vitamin E that protects the skin from external environmental aggressors that may otherwise make your skin dull and lifeless. Talking about the Lumi cream, it contains niacinamide that retains the skin's moisture content, plus it also has makeup benefits that add a highlighted 3D glow. Now for the makeup routine, I will start by applying a primer. In winters, मैं एक gel-based primer लगाऊंगी that is infused with moisturizing ingredients, which will add an extra boost of moisture. साथ ही, primer will make sure the base makeup clings onto the skin without beginning to disrupt it or make it dry due to the winter season. So I would like to suggest this primer. It's the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Face Primer. Squeeze out a pea-sized amount on the back of your hand and use your fingertips to apply it evenly all over your face and neck. Infused with vitamin E, this primer creates a smooth canvas for makeup applications and ends up moisturizing and nourishing the skin. अब फाउंडेशन की बात करते हैं. क्योंकि विंटर के दौरान स्किन ड्राई, फ्लेकी और पैची नजर आती है, I suggest you give matte foundations a pass as they absorb natural skin oils and enhance the fine lines and wrinkles settling into it. तो अगर आपकी skin dry है, then I recommend you opt for a foundation that delivers a dewy base. Here is a foundation that I have been using lately. This is the Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Serum Foundation in the shade Warm Natural. For dry and flaky skin, it is best to avoid applying a foundation with a brush as it enhances the dry patches on your skin. Instead, switch to applying with a damp makeup sponge using short patting motions. This will make the base makeup product sink into your skin without irritating or aggravating the dry spots. अब इस foundation की बात करते हैं. तो ये एक serum in a foundation है जो dewy medium high coverage finish देता है. It is infused with the goodness of hyaluronic acid, जो skin के surface को hydrate रखेगा. It also has niacinamide, which will make the skin feel nourished and hydrated on the inside, while making it look flawless and radiant on the outside. Also guys, if you want to see more winter makeup routines, then tap on the eye icon on the top right. Now for the eyes, I'm going to keep it fresh and simple. I'm using the Squatted by Lakme. It's the Lakme 925 Eye Quartet eyeshadow in the shade Desert Rose. इस look के लिए सबसे पहले मैं light brown color as a transition shade लगाऊंगी in the crease area with an eyeshadow brush. Then I will pat the darkest brown color on the outer edge of the eye with a small blending brush. I love how these eyeshadow formulas are super soft and blendable. Then I'm going to use this gold shade and apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. This is what's going to make my eyes look awake. फिर मैं एक small और sharp winged eyeliner लगाऊंगी using the Lakme Iconic Liner Pen Fine Tip Deep Black. The tip of the eyeliner is super precise, so it's going to help me create a sharp wing. Plus, it's going to help me in small precision work on the inner corner areas as well. और फिर लोअर लैश लाइन के लिए मैं वो सेम लाइट ब्राउन आई शैडो लगाऊंगी विद अ स्मॉल ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश। अब इस लुक को कंप्लीट करने के लिए आई एम यूजिंग माई फेवरेट मस्कारा। दिस इज द लैक्मे आइकॉनिक कर्लिंग मस्कारा in the shade deep black. This lightweight mascara adds volume to the lashes without appearing clumpy. Use the wiggle and swipe technique and your lashes will flutter like never before. With that, the eye look is done. Now, using the Lakme Absolute 3D Eyebrow Definer in the shade Espresso, I'll fill up the brows and then brush them with a spoolie to tame unruly hair and you're good to go. इस brow definer का formula creamy है, which blends easily and provides a smooth finish and helps to add volume in the eyebrows. Time to add a flush of color on the face. For winter, मैं cream formula use करना पसंद करती हूँ क्योंकि they give me this added sheen or reflection on the dry skin, giving it a more hydrated appearance. I like to use the Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Pink Lace. Apply a few dabs on the apple of your cheeks for a flushed effect. This cheek color has a feather-light texture that sits lightly on the skin and blends effortlessly. Now, for the lips, I'm going to apply a lip liner and I'll top it with Vaseline. When applying lip liner, make sure to feather it out across the corners on the top and bottom of your lips and then lightly fill it in. फिर मैं यूज करूंगी द Vaseline Lip Tint in cocoa butter. Make sure to apply a generous coat. This contains cocoa butter, which helps lock in moisture and adds a glossy shine to the lips. So guys, I hope you liked my winter makeup routine for dry skin. If you want to purchase the products that I have shown in this video, then go ahead and check out the description box below for purchasing links. Before you leave, like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!